Hey guys, what's up? I'm Brian with Fisher's Off-Road, and in today's video we're going to be adding a little accessory to my new used Ford F-250 Super Duty diesel. Now, I had to get a used one because I went to see about getting a new one, and they said it would be about a year before I got a new truck. Now I'm going to start accessorizing this truck. And one of the first things I'm doing, because everything else is on back order, I ordered the Warren Ascent front bumper, back order, Warren Ascent rear bumper, back order, Diamondback truck cover. They said they can get it done and get it to me, but it's probably going to be a few weeks, maybe a month, maybe 2 months, I don't know. So we're getting some accessories for this truck, but for today, we went with something we could get right on Amazon. We went with some Husky Liners for the floor. You know, you get your floor mats with your stock vehicle. And I mean, my opinion, let's face it, these trucks are expensive. I would think that they would give you better floor mats or liners than what they do from factory, and I'm not happy with them. They're a pain in the butt, and I just think they're really cheesy and cheap. And with us, we do a lot of off-roading. We do a lot of stuff where there's mud and stones, and so you're dragging it in and out of your truck. You want something that's reliable and looks good and is going to take care of your carpet underneath. So when you do go to sell your truck or trade it in, you know, this is an investment into something. First thing we're going to do is get them out of the box, check them out, see what the quality's like, and then we're going to go ahead and start installing in the truck. One of the reasons we decided to go with the Husky Liner is because we looked it up on Amazon and we saw it had over 2,000 reviews, and they had 5-star reviews, and also they were on sale. Typically they're $179.95, and they just happen to be on sale for $134.49. Well, there we go, guys. We got the liners in. This is the rear, and it doesn't say in the instructions, but I tucked it underneath this black plate here that has the cargo bin. I'm not sure if that's how you're supposed to do it, but it seems to fit a little bit better, and I'm sure it's going to fit a little better once we get it out in the sun, kind of get it stretched out a little bit and settled in. Up front here we have our liner, and they also go right onto the factory retainers right there. Just push it on there, so that works out really well. For our passenger side, we do not have the retainer here, so they actually give you a screw. It's like with a carpet screw. You screw it into your carpet and it will hold this in place, or you can just let these little grippers here hang on to it and keep it in place. And whenever you put these in, you put the Husky name out towards the door, and you'll see the way it's contoured to fit in your vehicle. I thought they'd be a little bit more rubbery than kind of a hard plastic, but I mean, it fits good, and we'll give it a shot and see how it does. Well, there you go, y'all. There is the Husky floor liner install on our F-250. If you go to the link below, the Amazon link, it is an affiliate link, so if you order anything off of there, I think we might get like a 1 or 2% kickback, so it kind of helps out with the channel, helps us to buy products, and that's what we do. We buy a lot of products, we review them, and then we put them out there for you guys and get your overall opinions and thoughts and see what you're using. So tell us what floor mats or floor liners you're using, if you're happy with them. What are some of the best ones on the market? That's totally up to you guys, so fill us in and let us know. We'll see y'all. Thanks a lot. Take care, and appreciate you watching. Have a good one.